Wrap it blue and call it new. Check out TMaxx Olympia Blue color change PPF film that we just installed on this Cybertruck. Now, not only is your truck like new, you could also say goodbye to all the fingerprint concerns, how challenging it is to go ahead and clean your stainless steel Cybertruck, and this color is absolutely stunning. It is PPF, which stands for paint protection film, and this film will go ahead and protect the stainless steel panels. The film is a lot thicker than vinyl, in some cases double the thickness, and TMaxx offers you a 10-year warranty, unlike many other companies out there. So one of the best warranties in the industry, color change PPF, hydrophobic, it even has self-healing properties. And let's talk about that for a minute. Let's say that the film gets scuffed up a little bit, or maybe brushes up against something. Minor abrasions, the self-healing properties, when you apply heat to the film, it will actually fix itself and make it like new. Pretty special. So let's get back to this really cool new color, Olympia Blue, something different, something we've never done before. What do you guys think about it? Please share your comments below. I love hearing what you think about all these different color Cybertrucks we're doing. Now, after we went ahead and we wrapped all the panels, we stayed true to form with reapplying the Foundation Series badges in the 3 locations that come from Tesla, but we put it up underneath the wrap, up underneath the film for that very cool, subtle, embossed look. So embossed badges, the wrap, this color looks really good with the white interior decor panels, I must add. And then of course the wheels. The stock 20-inch wheels, quite frankly, they're just too small for the Cybertruck, and I'm sure you all agree because we do sell our wheels every single day around the world. And 24s is where it's at. This is our brand new CT10 wheel finished in gloss black. Gloss black, gloss wrap, perfect match. And this wheel comes with these very special Nitto Recon Grappler tires. Now this tire is the only 24-inch tire that is load rated and is the perfect fit for your Cybertruck. So keep that in mind when you're looking at other tire options. Just because the sizes might be there, it might not be load rated and it might not be the right fitment. So this truck is all done. I'm so proud to share it with you guys. Customer's on his way to the shop to go ahead and pick it up. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so many more amazing Cybertruck videos coming your way soon.